In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority on a task in Wrike, a highly popular tool for project management that brings efficiency and clarity to your workflow. By setting priorities, you can ensure that your team knows exactly which tasks need immediate attention, which can tremendously improve the overall productivity. We're going to break this down into simple, manageable steps that will take you through the process so that you're able to set task priorities seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wrike workspace and click on your Kanban project management view. This board view is an excellent way to visualize the flow of your tasks, giving you a bird's eye view of what is being worked on and what needs attention. Now, look for the specific task you want to prioritize. Clicking on the task will open up its detailed view, where you'll see various properties and configurations concerning this task. With the task details open, your next step will involve focusing on the plus icon that you find within this detailed pane. This icon is pivotal as it opens up additional task settings and features that aren't immediately visible. After clicking that plus icon, you will have expanded options in front of you. Here, one of the choices you'll notice is the importance setting. This is a crucial step in this process because it allows you to set how critical a task is compared to others. Clicking on importance brings up a range of predetermined priority levels you can assign to your selected task. Next, you'll select the name or hierarchy of the task in question. This option lets you categorize the task effectively within your entire project structure. Finally, to establish the task as a priority, click on High. By doing so, you assign the highest priority status to the task, making it stand out more prominently to everyone involved. By following these steps, you're ensuring that everyone in your project is on the same page regarding priority tasks. Each task marked as high takes precedence, aligning everyone's focus and directing efforts where they're most needed. This method is straightforward yet substantially impactful in managing projects effectively and helps in meeting deadlines, particularly when workload seems overwhelming. That's all there is to it. Now that you know how to set priorities on tasks in Wrike, you can readily start implementing this routine into your daily project management practices to enhance team productivity and ensure crucial tasks are always prioritized correctly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more insightful guides on improving your project management skills with Wrike.